can take a break.
Thank you for tapping, guys. Hi, Weston. Thank you for coming in. Yes, Gladys Boy. Thank you.
Loved battling you today.
Bubble pa, oh.
Nak and Key, thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Di ba nakaipon ka? Magkaroon yan. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching my live.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Oh, and then, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Andy. Where are you? Thank you, Weston. Thank you, Daddy's Boy. Thank you for the support. All the love. I'm so happy. Hi, thank you for joining, Paul. Thank you for tapping, Weston. Thank you, Daddy's Boy.
I love it when you're happy.
La Liga. Thank you po. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the rose, Andy. You're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me, Andy. I appreciate it. Super. Thank you. I will take my break later. So I will end my live later. So I need to eat my lunch. Yes, Weston. Thank you. I'm happy. I will do live on my birthday. My birthday is next week, guys. My birthday is next week. I will do live my birthday. Yes, on July 16, my birthday. Can you guess how old I am? Yeah, I will do live on my birthday. On the 16th. My birthday next week. Uy, you're right. I'm 24 now. Turning 25. 30? Really, Weston? I'm 30. Do I look like? I'm sad. I'm sad.
I'm sorry. No. 24.
You're right. You're right. Weston, I hate you. You said 30. No, it's okay, Andy. Daddy's boy. It's okay. Yes, I'm 25. I'm 25. Oh, you're 22 now. It's good. Yes, I will do live on my birthday, guys. On my birthday.
I apologize.
Really appreciate all the gifts, the support. Andy, Daddy's Boy, Weston, Oma, La Liga. Thank you. I'm so glad. Yeah. Hi, Joshua. You missed the battle, Joshua. Thank you for the rose. Hi, Josh.
I apologize. I still love you, Cass.
Much like earlier, you missed it. It's okay. Thank you, Andy. Yeah, thank you, Weston. Here's a heart for you all, guys. The heart. Woo, thank you for halo. That's halo halo and bros. You know halo halo? That's the famous dessert here in Philippines. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. Yes, I have battle earlier. It's okay. I'm so happy that all of you guys support me. I'm from Manila. Manila, Makati. Makati, Manila. Andy Boy. Thank you, Weston. I love you all. It's the heart with pork. Devil heart. It's called devil heart. Thank you. Thank you for all the support, guys. Ooh, it's February. For the mall, I will do a vacation here, Andy. Let me know. Closer, yes. Ooh, the lechon. Yes, the lechon. That's the famous dish here. And adobo. Ooh, I like the lechon so much.
I will never stop loving you, Cass.
You can go here in a famous tourist spot. In a famous spot here in the Philippines. Thank you, Weston.
Sila ay mga, yung kasi yung
You can-
kumain ng backstage ko dati, yung lalaki. Yan, mga kasama ko yung mga yun.
Thank you.
Pinalo mo ano, yung Daddy's Boy. Oo, para sa mga masabi.
Ang touch boy.
Yung nag-aaral sa'yo, pati yung Andy.
Oo. Bakit?
Yung Andy Pino, ano siya tawag ng profile list lang.
Oo.
Pero yung
Daddy's boy.
Daddy's Boy ka na ba?
Ang sabi.
Hindi, parang, sino yun? Pinalo niya ito.
Thank you. Yes, guys, I'm having fun.
Weston,
Oo.
Daddy's Boy, pinalo niya.
Mga ano kayo? Ano kayo si Weston?
I heard my name.
Touch and let you know, Joe. Yes, Andy. Just let me know. You can add me on my WhatsApp or, yeah, WhatsApp. Yeah, you heard your, my colleague said that you follow her. Well, that's okay. You follow her because she's one of my colleagues and she's my cousin. Yeah, let me know, Andy boy. You can taste the lechon. I want it. The lechon.
I hope we stay in touch, Cass.
So crispy.
Ooh, sarap.
Yes, of course, Western. Okay, Andy. I will wait. Thank you for the support, guys. I will end my live now because I need to.
I love you, Cass. Be safe.
Support Western, Andy Boy, Daddy's Boy, La Liga, Omo. Thank you. Bye. And Joshua, thank you. You're still there. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you. Joshua, thank you for coming. I will watch your live later and support you. Thank you, Wasoski. Thank you po. Have a great day. Oh, thank you for the rose, Andy. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye. may basa na. Bye-bye. Thank you for the rose, Annie. Thank you.
We don't want you to go.
Bye-bye.
Five.
See you guys later.
5 by 7.
Thank you. Thank you. I need to eat now. I'm so hungry.
Go and get it. 5
Thank
by
you.
7.
Bye.
Let's say bye for a long time, Reggie. He likes the attention. 5.